In the first step, the buttermilk is churned with the machine. This helps the butter separate by floating on top. This butter is later collected into a separate utensil. As you can see, the lady is taking out the butter into a separate utensil from the matka. This butter is also called as makhan in Hindi. This butter is later boiled to make ghee, and this ghee is later cooled down and strained into a separate vessel. Our ghee is ready. This is later measured, and this is how you make ghee at home.